everyone, today is December 31st. Happy New Year's Eve, Old Year's, New Year's, whatever you call it. My dad calls today Old Year's and then tomorrow New Year's, but I thought, you know what, let's vlog. Haven't vlogged since Vlogmas, which was not that long ago. It was literally like a couple days ago. But today I am finishing up my end of year video and I'm gonna post it today. I'm also gonna go on a walk now, last walk of the year. I also have to go to the mailbox. Speaking of the mailbox, I ordered a package. If you watched Vlogmas Day 26 when I talked about my Christmas presents, I talked about how I ordered a package and it didn't arrive yet. It arrived. I thought it was gonna arrive in the mailbox so I wouldn't have to like go through my parents being like, what is it, Jess? But they rang the doorbell and dropped it off on the porch. So my dad picked it up. So yeah, that was fun. Maybe I'll open it up in this video or maybe a different video, but I'll let you guys know. I think I want to do a different video because it's like that special. It's gonna be super short though, so like I'll link the video in the description below or on one of the cards. Let's go on a walk. Okay, I'm back from my walk. I didn't really film anything because there was nothing new aside from the amount of ice that is on the sidewalk. So I had to walk on the road a bit, but nonetheless, is that the saying? Anyways, now I think I'm gonna go wash my hair because it is a mess and I should probably shower before the new year. I'll see you guys after. Okay, so I just washed my hair as you can see and I went downstairs to get, I drank most of it already, but I shared a nutriment with Dad and our neighbor is so sweet. He dropped off a box of donuts and a little holiday card and it was so cute and it had a photo of his kids and their dogs on it. It was adorable. I won't show the photo just in case, you know. I'll insert a clip of what the donuts look like. Now I'm watching Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, the final season, and I'm gonna clean because that's a disaster. And I started putting books on my desk. I'm trying to like redecorate my room kind of. Oh, I might also film a TikTok because I haven't filmed one in a while. And I have to post a TikTok to promote the video that I'm posting today on this channel. But yeah, nothing really that special to be honest. I finished the year-end video, the end of year video, so now I'm gonna upload it. I don't know about the thumbnail to be honest, because every year I've printed photos, but this year I didn't because we didn't really go anywhere, so I couldn't really print photos. So I didn't get to make my regular thumbnail, you know? It's hard to explain, but the way I make my thumbnails for the year-end videos is I print the photos and then I like lay them out and I take a big photo. I take a photo of all of the photos. Does that make sense? Because I didn't do that, I was like, okay, maybe I'll just make a collage on Illustrator. I'm gonna post it soon, and I have the promo video that I edit together, and I'm gonna post it on my newsfeed. I mean on Instagram, and then I'm gonna post a reel, and then I'm gonna post a TikTok. I'm gonna promote the heck out of this video because I'm pretty proud of it. Even though it's a basic video, I did a lot more than I did last year, which is weird because the circumstances we're in, but I think it still turned out really well. Like honestly, I think it beats last year's video. And Sarah, she was like, you need to get out more. And I agree, I know I do. But I think I did get out a lot more. And I included more clips of myself this year rather than just the trees or my window, you know. By the time that this video goes out, the year-end video will be out too. So I'll link it in a card or in the description below. So go check it out. I'm gonna promote the heck out of it because it deserves the views, I think, personally. If you're in it, comment down below. I think I included a lot more people in it this year. Last year, I had a lot of footage of Kat and literally nature, but this year I actually included my cousins. My favorite part of the video is the intro. Like that beginning part is so good, and I really like the ending. Anyways, I'm gonna end the clip here because you can probably hear Mom. Okay, bye! You gonna post that? Who knows? Maybe it's just footage for next year's video. Why?
Hello? Happy New Year! You're blocking the camera, don't you?
Oh my god! Okay. Hello. It has been the chillest New Year's Eve. I've literally been in my room. I told myself I was gonna take a nap because I woke up really early this morning from a bad dream. But here we are. What time is it? 9:13 p.m. I could take a nap, but I'm gonna watch more of Chilling Adventures with Sabrina. Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Chaos. Chilling Adventures. I think it's Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. You know, I'm also trying to figure out more sounds because I want to post more TikToks, but I don't know what sounds to use, and I want to edit like with old footage. So hopefully y'all don't get mad at me for doing that. I'll see you guys closer to the new year.
So fast already? I thought it was like 2 minutes.
Oh my god! Well, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. You ready to feel it again?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Mom! No, you're not! You're sitting
Come,
there!
come, come. Come here, you wanna play football?
That's how you're
Hey,
a partner. You're
You wanna play football?
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
this is the ball. Wait, we'll go with white because
You and I are partners?
No, no.
these. Which hands do
We're
you want
partners
her to
inside.
have?
You
Whatever
two partners.
those two. Okay, these two are your hands.
2 green,
She's just
2
gonna
red
keep
is yours
it.
and 2. Hey.
Okay,
So don't
so
get your hand off of this.
You have to hit this way
Okay,
into
just keep
here.
your hand there, right?
Look, you
And
have.
you have to go that way, or we have to go this way.
You good?
Okay?
You ready, Mom?
Block him, Jen, block him.
This is so bad.
Okay, ready?
Where's my man? Get him, Jen. Yeah! Oh, sorry, Jen. Oh, no! Oh, my God! Yeah!
Oh,
No!
let's go, let's go. Alright, you got it in.
Oh my God!
Oops.
Kick him back, Jen. Kick him hard.
No, no, good one, no.
Okay.
That's it. Good.
One more point.
Good on this side. We good.
That's not how the
Oh,
play
yeah.
goes.
Yeah, but it's this.
Alright, Mom, break.
Good boy.
Okay.
You know what? You're sitting up and down. So keep your stick in your hand and relax. Keep your stick in your hand and relax.
Yeah. Well, then just go. Stop!
Nice shot.
Okay.
Oh, what I am told.
It's my
Yeah,
turn.
your turn.
So which ball do I have to hit?
Whatever football you want, you hit the
Solid.
solid, like the solid ones.
Like the purple and
Like
stuff?
that purple one, this one, but you hit this one to that one. You hit the white to hit. You have to hit the white to hit that one.
I don't have to hit the ball alone.
So,
That's not how we used to play.
what do you mean, how do we play?
Where did Mom grow up?
That's a good shot to hit down shade there.
I don't believe she used to play before. Look, she missed.
That's right, good shot. Oh, so we said 200, we said them, right?
Yeah.
You know
It's
what?
okay, we're playing for both
Let
teams.
me tell you. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna win.
They're gonna kill you now. Oh, I couldn't catch that. Why are you hitting solids?
I thought you gave me a shot.
We're stripes.
Oh,
Yeah.
because you know sometimes.
You drank too much, man.
But that one good. Obiano, Mom. Sa to, Obiano. damage.
Wait, you still want it?
We're stripes!
Michelle, you gotta tell me, right? You both look so easy to go in, right? We didn't leave no shot. Oh, Mom, how I shot it up. Over there. Where else gonna go?
I don't know. I can shoot that far.
Yeah, but this is the only shot you have. Look at it. Almost get it.
Almost.
Wow! Okay.
You got it. Good shot, good shot. Yeah, you see?
Oh, good.
That's the one you gotta get. Nice shot. No, okay.
Yeah!
Come on, she can get two. We almost get two. Flag it.
She can hit it now.
Oh, I gotta pick
No,
it.
she
Yeah.
did.
Why? One fall on the
Yeah,
ground.
put some here.
Oh, it went in there. Oh, bad. Boo.
You hit the black ball now.
Huh?
That's the black ball. I hit ball. Don't hit that
Don't
one
hit the
now.
black one.
Why?
That's the last ball I'm gonna hit.
Oh, then I could lose.
Yeah. Can you come this way? That one on there.
Oh yeah, that's true.
We could go around the people now.
Yeah.
Eh, you know what?
Yeah. That is true.
Not because I decided fright to come on. But hand all the way.
Oh,
All the way down here. You see how everybody playing? Hand down here, and if you up here, that's what you do. Your partner not helping you at all, man.
my partner should know how to play.
You see? Nice shot, nice. That's it.
Dad!
Hmm?
We are stripes. How many times did I tell you we're stripes?
I'm winning.
Your partner is crazy.
I know.
I think I'm crazy. I lose. Okay,
Alright.
what the hell ball is in? The 3 ball is in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so now I don't. Alright, look, she gets.
Hit the ball!
Eh?
Hit the ball!
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, shut up. Gì bữa đua?
Oh my gosh. Come on! Stop with your voodoo-ness!
Don't flip it. We gotta see that he's not cheating.
I'm fat.
He's not cheating!
Good job, Jenny. We still caught that.
We still won! 2 games! Foosball and pool! Okay, so I didn't even end up filming the rest of the night. I went to bed and then the next day Ethan came over and we had more snacks. No? Who took it out? Whoa. Yeah, that's really good. Jen and Ethan played games. Grab it. And I watched wrestling with Dad. But yeah, other than that, nothing too exciting. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had a great Old Year's, New Year's Eve, and New Year's. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you later.